Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party pencil balloon creation. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through building your design. Feel free to pause the video between steps whenever you need. Start by inflating 4 pink balloons to 8 inches. Tie 2 balloons together to make a pair, then twist the 2 pairs together to create a 4 balloon cluster. Make 1 more pink cluster the same way. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Tie the ribbon around the base cluster, then add the second pink cluster on top. Gently press the balloons together and secure them with the ribbon. Pause here before the next step. Inflate 4 silver balloons to the same size as the pink balloons and create a cluster. Attach the silver cluster on top of the pink base. Pause here before the next step. Inflate 20 yellow balloons to the same size and make 5 clusters. Stack the yellow clusters on top of the silver layer, wrapping the ribbon around each layer to keep everything secure. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Inflate 4 apricot balloons to 7 inches and create a cluster. Attach it on top of the yellow clusters. Then inflate 4 more apricot balloons to 6 inches. Create another cluster and attach it on top. You can pause here before continuing. Inflate 4 black balloons to 5 inches and create a cluster. Attach it on top of the apricot layer. Next, inflate 4 black balloons to 4.5 inches and attach another cluster. Finally, inflate 4 black balloons to 4 inches and attach the last cluster. To finish, inflate 1 5-inch yellow balloon to 3 inches and attach it to the top. Pause here before the next step. Fill 1 pink balloon with water, tie it securely, and attach it to the bottom of the pencil to create a stable base. And that's it! Your House of Party pencil balloon creation is complete and ready to display.